Yo, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. So, I'm a distant traveler. So, I was traveling, right? And I made a drop off to somewhere I know nothing about, right? So, I saw a little guy walking, going out to his business or going to his business or doing his regular norm. And I've asked him a question, sir, where am I? He stated that I'm in Armenia. Bear in mind, I'm a traveler. I'm traveling from a little island called Jamaica. Miles and miles away from home. I know nothing at all about Armenia. I know nothing at all about the country, the food, the culture, the language, the music especially. That's what I'm here for. I know nothing at all about that. But in that case, just because I'm in Armenia now, I've heard that there's a concert be keeping in the Eurovision 2024, right? So I've done some background checks, right? And the person who is doing that performance, lucky me, she's called LADANIVA. LADANIVA, right? That's a very cool name, bro. Very cool name. So in that case, I'll be happy to stop by to listen to what she have to say, bro. But I have a question I want to ask y'all. Do any one of y'all know Bob Marley? Do any one of y'all know Usain Bolt? Let me know, because these names that I've just called, they are from Jamaica. Bob Marley is the king of reggae. Usain Bolt is the fastest man alive. He's from Jamaica, right? I want to know if any one of y'all know these superstars that are from Jamaica. Please let me know. So guys, I'll be reacting to, right, LADANIVA, Jako, Armenia, official music video 2024 Eurovision. I want to learn more about this country. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well this female can sing or perform her song. I'll see you there. Peace. Well. Awesome voice. Awesome voice. Beautiful female. Wow. Wow, astounding. It's not in English, but the instrumental is freaking awesome, bro. Oh, hey. Armenians, beautiful instrumental. Beautiful music, bro. Hey, I have no idea what the heck she's saying, but I'm not here for that, bro. I'm here for the instrument. I'm here for the music. I'm here for the performance. I'm here for the voice. Anything that have to do with music, that is why I'm here. It doesn't matter the language, and this is freaking cool. Wow. Wow, I gotta say, phenomenal country with phenomenal people, phenomenal lifestyle. I gotta say, awesome dressing as well, because each country dresses differently, right? And it's the first I'm seeing this type of dressing, so I gotta say, unique. You guys are standing way out. Bro, beautiful voice. Hey, her voice is just so little and cute. Oh my god, what an awesome voice, bro. Hey, the instrumental here, especially with the guy that is playing the trumpet, bro. It's awesome. The vehicle looks awesome. Wow. Wow. In fact, I like the hairstyle, bro. Right? The way she puts in a lot of ribbons to wrap around her hair. Bro, it's awesome. It's freaking cool, bro. Oh! Hey, her voice is really sexy, bro. Oh, yes. And the place is here. Well, I'm not really sure if this is on a location, but the brick wall looks freaking amazing, bro. In my country, Jamaica, we don't really have brick walls or nothing like that. We have blocks, building blocks. But there are some places in Jamaica that bricks are located, but not everywhere in Jamaica. We mostly use blocks. But to see this in this country, the world is such an amazing place, bro. This is such an amazing song as well. Amazing videography. Hey! This is so full of vibe. The energy, the enthusiasm of the people, it's freaking amazing, guys. I gotta say, Armenians, you guys' music are so cool. I'm way in Jamaica, and to be honest, I'm not really sure if Jamaica do listen to these songs. I'm not omnipresent to say, hey, I know someone who listen to this song, or these songs, or this artist, or these artists, but regardless of that, if there are any Jamaican who doesn't listen this song or these songs, I'll be the first fan. Because these music are really, really cool to listen to, especially when you're going through a moment that involves music. These music are really the perfect choice to choose, bro. Very amazing. Yo, the instrumental, the flute. Wow, what powerful music. Oh my god, guys, you guys are so freaking amazing. I gotta say, we have a lot of incredible people with such amazing talents out there in the world, bro. Excellent, just excellent. Oh, magnificent. I really wish these songs really go a wider scale. Not just in the country, but worldwide, bro. Music are very essential. Once we have that essentiality in music, then we are winning. Oh, Lily, Lily, la, pull up. Lily, Lily, la. Oh yeah, Lily, Lily, la. Pop, 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 pop. Yo, fucking amazing, bro. Hey, these people are really cool, bro. I mean, like, the music video is just so different from all the music videos that I've reacted to. This stands out differently, to be honest. Oh man, it is so lovely. This feels as if I'm in a carnival, bro. I'm not a fan of carnival, but this gives me the impression that I'm in a carnival festival. Fuck, bro, this is amazing. Hey, beautiful people, beautiful country, beautiful vehicle, beautiful music, and excellent dance, bro. Thumbs up. Yo, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Oh, damn. Damn, bro. You guys are so cool. This should have been a little bit longer because the vibe is so good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.